Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and visually inspecting the cable, brick, and USB-C connector. Look for frays, bent pins, or lint. Then you measure the charger output with a multimeter to confirm whether voltage is present. This tells you if the problem is the cable or the charger brick. Once done, prepare basic tools: a small Phillips, plastic spudger, magnifier, and replacement USB-C module or cable so you can move straight into disassembly. You carefully open the charger housing using a plastic spudger and remove screws. Keep track of small parts. Then you inspect the PCB and connectors. Burned resistors, cracked solder joints, or detached USB-C modules are common failure points. Use the multimeter to test continuity on cable conductors and diodes. Checking pads and traces helps find opens. If you find a cold joint or broken port, plan to reflow or replace that. You perform the repair by replacing the USB-C module or reflowing suspect solder joints using flux and the right soldering tip. Work quickly but cleanly to avoid bridging. Once repaired, reassemble the charger, tighten screws, and run the multimeter under a light load to verify stable voltage and expected current. If problems persist, make sure to try a known good cable and outlet. And if the power IC is faulty or heat damaged, replace it. This is the single most common hidden failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.